Hey guys, Dr. Ward checking in again from Levine Veterinary Center. This time we're going to talk about some kitty cats. So the subject will be one of the things that we see. It's a common metabolic problem we can see in our, middle-aged to older cats, and it's going to be feline diabetes. And so there's a couple predispositions that we can see with feline diabetes. Definitely the most common thing that we see is obesity. And unfortunately, with most of our cats being indoors or majority indoors and having a pretty sedentary lifestyle of just kind of laying around the couch or laying around the cat tree and not getting too much activity, with today's diet being still highly nutritious, cats tend to pack on pounds pretty easily. And so it's not common for me to see 15 to 16 pound cats, especially when they're middle age, which is going to be a huge predisposition to acquiring feline diabetes. So one of the most common clinical signs that we see with feline diabetes is a pretty drastic increase in the amount of water consumption. So these cats are drinking and drinking and drinking quite a bit throughout the day, or owners notice that they just kind of sit by the water bowl and drink for 5 to 10 minutes at a time, which is quite a lot for a kitty cat. Another thing that people notice is the litter box. So what goes in must come out. The litter boxes are being filled up with urine. These cats are urinating more frequently, and the volume of urine is literally creating the clumping that's like filling up the entire litter box. So those two things, in addition to weight loss, which is very, very common, and changes in appetite. So if you ever notice those, your kitty cat needs to get right in to see the veterinarian. We can do common blood tests that can help diagnose diabetes pretty easily, and then kind of start a treatment protocol, which usually involves a dietary change and very frequently involves injections that you can give, which are actually pretty simple. I know a lot of people are pretty nervous about giving injections to their pets, but the needles that we use for insulin, which is the basically product that we use to reverse the changes in diabetes, are extremely, extremely small, and cats tolerate them very well. So if you ever notice those clinical signs, come on in.